Today, I am going to show you how to generate this images for free. Open your browser and search styler.ai. If you have already an account, click on Log in, otherwise click on Sign Up. I am going with my Google account. You can use this popular images. If you want a custom style, click on New Project. Click on Text to Image. You can choose styles from here. Select Innocent Cuddle. Type prompt here. Click on this button. A few seconds later, you will get amazing results. If you want to save any image, so please select. Let's make change in prompt. You have 200 credits in a week to generate images. 1 credit for one time, generate. After 7 days, it will update it for free. If you want to save any image, so please select. Click on Place on Canvas. Click on Export. Choose File Type. If you want all images, check on Export All Layers. Click here. For more tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.